Hey everybody, welcome back to Cordova's Kitchen. My name is April and today we are going to make some strawberry limeade, and boy is it good. So this is what you're going to need for this. You're going to get this in the frozen section in the grocery store. It's your Minute Maid limeade, and you're going to let that thaw out, which it thaws out really quick. We're going to use a whole container of fresh strawberries, and then you are going to use some frozen strawberries, and then you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. So right now we are going to get our strawberries sliced up and washed. Just get your stems off, give them just a little cut in half. And we are going to get these washed. You don't want none of that grit in there if it has any sand from the store. Now the strawberries, they don't have to be thawed out. That's just going to give you a little bit of slushiness after you get it all mixed up in your blender. So just get these all done up. Now the limeade, you are going to do as the container says. So after you pour your limeade container in your blender, you are also going to put 4 1/3 cup of water. And that's just to the directions on the package. This is super easy, very, very refreshing in the summertime, and you will love it. Just something fast and easy to do. And we're going to give these a really good rinse. Oops. Try not to dump them out. Go back to the counter. Okay, we are going to add our strawberries into our mixer. Just get them all in there. And I've already pulled the tab off of the top. So we are going to add that in there. And then let me get my water. Okay, these two right here equals our 4 1/3 containers of these. So you want to dump 4 containers of water plus 1/3. And here I have our sugar. It does take 1 cup of sugar, so it's not a diet friendly thing. So we are going to get that in there, and we are going to get our water. Let me get my lid to my blender. We're only going to mix this up right now because if I would put this, obviously I won't have enough room in my blender. So I'm going to get that all blended up, and then I'm going to put it in our gallon container here. So I'm going to mute this so you don't have to hear it. Okay, our blender is done mixing all of that up. And then we are just going to pour it in our gallon container here. As you see, it makes a nice size container. Okay, now here we are going to put our other couple of cups of water. Let me get this so I don't have a sticky mess everywhere. And we are going to put our frozen strawberries in here. Now, since these are frozen, this is going to give you that nice slushy consistency. So I get them in here without splattering it all out. So that's a good couple of cups right there. And we are going to get that back on. Okay, and we will get this all blended up. Okay, that is all blended. Look at that beautiful color. And we are going to just dump this right in our pitcher. Now it's up to you if you want to blend this totally smooth or if you want to leave a little bit of chunkiness to it. We like the little bit of chunks or pulp, I should say. Let me get my spatula here and just give it a good mix. Blend everything together really well. Okay, we have that all blended up really well. Just get you a glass with ice. And look how nice and refreshing that looks. And OMG, is it good. Thanks for watching.